Hello everyone, welcome. On the previous video I did work on the compare functions. Today I'll be working on the interval compare greater than equal to and load compare function. Compare function depends on the input. You need to have an input so that will compare the two different data register value, whereas load compare is continuously or constantly comparing the value and providing the result output. Okay, uh, control C, control V, let's make this I1. Okay, and let's do ICMP function. Okay, so let's say we have a 2, 3 and 4. Let's say our output would be Q0. Okay, so what do you think? Would this turn on the Q0 or not? Is 2 greater than 3 and 3 greater than 4? No, because in that case the Q0 will not turn on. Let's see. And let's make this D4, which is 4, D3, which is 3, and D2, which is 2. Okay, and let's simulate this one more time and you will see 4 is greater than 3, 3 is greater than 2, so the output Q0 is on. Okay, so this was the interval compare greater than equal to. So that's how it works. Okay, in order to turn on the output Q0, the S1 should be greater than S2 and S2 should be greater than S3. Okay, alrighty, let's start with the line here and let's add a load compare instructions. Okay, load compare, you can do word, integer, double, long and float. Again, word and integer, it uses 16-bit, one register. Double uses 32-bit, long and float uses 32-bit and two registers. Okay, yes, 1. Okay, so 1 2 3 1 and yes 2 is 1 2 3 1. Okay, in such case, and we also want to add output Q. Let's make this Q1. What happens when, okay, that's good. Let's copy this wrong, paste it here, paste it here, paste it here, I think. Alrighty, so let's do the same value not equal to what happened, and let's say this one is less than D3. Okay, Q2. Okay, and Q3. Okay, and Q4. Oh, we don't have output, no more output. Let's do this output yum1. Okay, memory bit. Alrighty, and let's change this to D2. Okay, and we will see. So load compare between the word 1231 and 1231, that will turn on Q1. 1231 is equal, so what will happen here, you will see. Let's simulate this. Alrighty, 1231 is equals to 1231, so the output is on. 1231 is equal to 1231. We are comparing not equal to, so the output is off. 1231 is less than 3, that's false, and Q3 is not on. 1231 is greater than 2, and yum1 is memory bit 1 is on. Okay, that's what we did. Alrighty, so again, as I said before, for the CMP functions you need to have input. Okay, for the load compare function, it will compare the two different registers continuously, and you do not need the input. Okay, so basically on these videos we did work on the compare function, interval compare functions for different interval comparison, and load compare function. Load compare function is usually used with the counter function. Counter is always moving, and based on that value you will turn on the output. Okay, comparing with one of the numbers or data register value. So basically again, compare function and load compare function is widely used in PLC programming. Load compare is mainly used with the counter function. And this much for today, and I'll see you on the next. Thank you so much for watching these videos. If you are enjoying these videos, please do like, share, subscribe my channel. I would love to see you on the next. Okay, thank you. Bye.